Creating the FMEA is only the beginning. After reviewing findings and updating actions in moderation mode, our FMEA tool prepares the final deliverable. Both generated analysis and user moderation inputs are automatically merged into a structured FMEA Excel export. No copy-pasting, no duplicate work, no rebuilding the analysis in spreadsheets. The result is a complete FMEA document containing risks, controls, actions, responsibilities, deadlines, statuses, and priorities in a single organized, structured, and designed workbook. You can even change the values, and Excel formula will change the calculated AP values. From analysis to implementation-ready deliverables in just a few clicks. Generate, moderate, export, save time and focus on what really matters.